Hello everyone, today we'll unbox XP Pen tablet Deco 01V2. It is almost compatible with every smartphone with Android version above 6, and it is also compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS version above 10.10. It is also compatible with all the designer softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, etc., and compatible with all the online teaching platforms like Zoom, Webex, Microsoft Teams, Teachmint, etc. Now let us see what the box consists of. It has a egg-shaped outer cover and a blue inner box. The tablet is covered with nice plastic, and then it also comes with a screen guard, and then it also comes with anti-fouling drawing glove, which you can wear like this. It includes warranty policy, a quick guide, and thank you for supporting. And it also consists of a connector with C and A adapter. It also consists of several nibs, replacing nibs, and then two more C adapters through which you can connect it to the smartphones. And it includes a passive pen. It also consists of a pen stand. Now we look at the tablet. We'll remove the screen guard. And we have to place this screen protector over the screen we can use directly as well. The pen supports up to 60 degrees of tilt brush effect and delivers smoother and more natural lines and strokes while giving you the ability to add shading to your creations and offering a more natural writing and drawing experience. And this XP pen is the brand, and the color is black. It weighs of about 1000 grams, and its active surface area is 10 inches into 6.25 inches. It has 8 customizable express keys, and it has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Its height is about 8 millimeter and width is about 21.7 centimeters. It operates on 5 volts voltage. With this cable, you have to connect it to laptop, USB. Once the pen tab is connected, you have to go to www.xppen/download, and then you have to select Deco 01 V2. So here we have to, if you want, we can download the quick guide and manual, and if you are working with Apple laptop, then you can download the latest one, this driver, or else if you are working with Windows 7, 8 or 10, you can download the latest one. The latest one here is August 16, 2021. Let me download this. It is getting downloaded. Once the download is complete, you have to extract the file. The file is extracted now. Just click it S. Okay. Once this icon appears, you have to select I have read and agreed to the software license agreement. Click install. Once it is complete, this dialog will appear. You have to select complete. Once the download is complete, you will get an icon on the desktop, as well as you get it here. You can open this. Once you open this, you will get the screen, and you can see the options here. The button on the pen, the top one is pen bar eraser. The second one is right click. You keep, I suggest you keep every settings as it is, as default. And if you want to change these buttons on the pen tab, if you want to change these buttons, then you can go to this express key settings. Here you have these buttons, and whichever is selected now. For example, K1, it is mentioned as open tablet settings. It means if you press K1 button, then this particular screen will open. And K2, it is mentioned as function key. Actually, I have changed the settings now. K2, I have from default I have kept it to scroll up, and K7 from default I have kept it to scroll down. Okay, so rest all I have kept as it is. So if you want to change any of the keys, then simply you have to go here. Default it will be Alt key. If you want to change it, you have to go to function key and then select any of the options. For now, I am setting it to scroll. Fine. So after selecting the keys, click OK and OK here. Now the XP Pen tablet has been connected. The driver software has been installed. Everything is ready now. If you want to write anything, I'll just show you how it works. In this budget, it is absolutely worth it buying XP Pen tablet Deco 01. The price range is around 6,700. Thank you.